Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today let us dive in and learn how to say الحوثيون. Arabic word means Ansar Allah are a Yemeni armed political and religious group mainly from the Zaidi Shia sect. They originated in northern Yemen, Saada, and gained control of the capital, Sana'a, in 2014. They are a key actor in the Yemeni conflict and maintain ties with Iran. الحوثيون. 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 Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.